Hey, hey! Today we're firing up the grill to bring you the ultimate game day snack, grilled buffalo hot wings. And because we're from the East Coast, you know we have to hit these wings up with a blend of Old Bay and Cajun seasoning. Well, in this video, I'm going to use Slap Your Mama. You can use any Cajun seasoning you like. Okay, so now we're going to fire up the grill and make sure your charcoal is nice and hot for the delicious smoky flavor. But we're going to be cooking on indirect heat, which means the coals will be on one side of the grill while our meat will be cooking on the opposite side of the grill. Okay, so we're going to let our wings cook for about 10 minutes to 12 minutes on each side. However, if you're using wingettes like I'm using, cook these wingettes for 7 minutes on each side. While our wings are grilling, let's whip up our signature hot wing sauce. It's a perfect blend of heat and tang. The buffalo wing recipe that I'm sharing with you today does not require a lot of butter. Now, if you want, you don't have to use sour cream. You can use plain yogurt, but you want your sauce to have zest. So just add a splash of lemon juice if you do decide to substitute the sour cream. All right, now it's time to check on those wings. So we're going to pull them off the grill and throw them in a clean bowl once they're done. Do want to reiterate, once they're done, because ain't nobody got time to be getting sick with salmonella. Now, as you guys can see, I just could not help it. I had to take a bite. And these wings are delicious without the sauce, so you can imagine how they taste with this buffalo sauce poured on top. So you have one of two options. You can either add your wings and toss your wings in the sauce for your guests, or what you can do is do what I just did, which is to lay your wings out and then just drizzle the sauce on top. And that way, if your guests want even more sauce, they have that option. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.